Lapsi sweet snack. In Malayalam, Unniyappam. This is a different instant version of Kerala's favorite dish, Unniyappam. Ingredients required: broken wheat or lapsi, 1/4 kg, rava 75 gram, Jaggery 100 gram, elchi banana 1, pure ghee 1 tablespoon, refined oil or ghee 1/2 liter. This is for deep frying. Sesame seeds, black or white 1 teaspoon, coconut finely cut 1 tablespoon, cardamom powder 1/2 teaspoon, salt 1 pinch. Now preparation. Soak the broken wheat in very hot water for 1 hour. Fry the sesame and coconut and keep it aside. Now squeeze the wheat and grind with jaggery and banana by adding some water. Now add the rava and grind. The consistency idli and dosha, between that consistency. Now add the cardamom powder, salt, fried seeds and stir. Now in the oil, deep fry the appam in the appam mold. In medium flame till the color turn dark brown. This is a sweet dish, and the jaggery you can adjust according to your taste. Please try it.